G'day, my name's Joe Harris. I'm the series presenter for this year's Vermeer and SherrillTree Arbor Series. The topic of the series this year is aerial rescue, which is the rescue of a stuck or injured climber from a tree. It's been a requirement since 2016 on Australian tree climbing sites for suitable preparation for a rescue to be made. That means you need to have another person on site who's able to get the climber down if they have an accident. And that's what we're going to be talking about this year. The series this year starts in Brisbane on Friday the 10th and Saturday the 11th of August, goes to Melbourne on the 14th and 15th, back to Sydney on the 17th and 18th, and finishes in Adelaide on the 21st and 22nd of August. At each venue we're going to be doing 2 days, an initial seminar day in which techniques and information are presented, and then on the second day, a practical day in which attendees will have the opportunity to practice the techniques and get up into the trees. The seminars at each location are going to be co-presented by a local technical expert. We're very excited to be working with Henk Morgans in Brisbane, Sam Hardingham and William Mittens in Sydney, and Barton Allen Hall in Melbourne and Adelaide. To find out more or to register for attendance at this year's Arbor Series, please check the Vermeer Australia website.